Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl coming to you live from Asia, guys. We're going to be talking about what is about to happen to Dogecoin, what is about to happen to Bitcoin, guys. So we're going to jump into that and much, much more. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. Good morning, howdy, howdy, howdy. Don't forget, none of this is financial advice. In case I didn't say that, go down there, smash the likes. I got my coffee, got my Jill. Let's jump into the freaking content without any further delay, guys. What is going on? Yesterday, we did see that most of the stock markets were pretty flat, except NASDAQ. Looks like the tech stocks were pumping yesterday. Looks like NVIDIA was on fire, and NVIDIA did cross $1 trillion market cap, and making NVIDIA one of the biggest companies in the tech sector. And in fact, NVIDIA now outshines Intel. Whatever happened to Intel out there? So that is kind of interesting. What else is going on? We're still feeling a lot better. Stock futures are a little changed as traders await debt ceiling progress in Washington. Remember, the debt ceiling, it has not been confirmed that the deal is done, but they're getting closer and closer, and 99%, I believe that there's definitely going to be a deal done. Gotta get some coffee. So overall, that's pretty good news, but we still wait for confirmation. I mean, it needs to go to Congress. They need to rubber stamp that and then get that passed, guys. So interesting, but keep in mind that basically, if the debt ceiling does get passed, US of A is bankrupt, and that is going to be a total bad show out there. Looks like breaking news. Odds of 25 basis point interest rate hike in June hit a fresh high of 67%. So looks like that how are the odds of 50 basis point rate hike are still zero, so that's pretty good news. And so it looks like we could be getting another rate hike out there. If we do get another rate hike out there, that could spell disaster for banks, guys. What is about to happen to Bitcoin? What is about to happen to Dogecoin? We're going to be talking about that much more, guys. So keep watching, keep smashing, keep loving, keep liking, keep having a great freaking day out there. So what do we got in terms of big announcements coming up? June 1st, we've got initial jobless claims coming out. We got the employment report on the 2nd. The 5th, not too much happening. We've got consumer credit on the 7th, 8th, 9th. Nothing really happening out there, guys. So that is what's going on from that perspective. Nothing too much happening next week for the first month of June. So that is good. What are people saying in terms of sentiment right now? We're seeing fear and greed is pretty much neutral. Bang. Whales are still buying. And what is going to happen to Bitcoin? What is going to happen to Dogecoin? We're going to be talking about that. We're going to jump into that in a second. If we take a look at the heat map right now, the heat map, if this thing load, heat map is looking okay. We're kind of neutral out there. It's anybody's guess. We are seeing that XRP is pumping right now, guys. XRP is up quite a lot as people are getting more excited on the anticipation of the news that XRP could be winning the case against my friend Gary Gensler. So interesting. Interesting. So what's going on with Bitcoin right now? So Bitcoin right now has formed a nice bull flag here on the daily. That's pretty good. We could see a pretty much an imminent breakout, probably taking us back up to 29,000, which is our really big resistance level. So I'm thinking that we're going to be seeing some nice moves soon for Bitcoin as we have this nice bull flag printing. So I'm going to be showing you more evidence of what's going to be going on with Bitcoin right now. And guys, do keep in mind that historically, June and July, May and June are typically bad for Bitcoin, guys. So, June, I'm expecting for June, kind of like the same thing. But keep in mind that, we're still up significantly over 70% already for the year. So not too shabby out there. So that is good news. I'm pretty excited. But remember, typically in 2019, we did have a very good month. We were up like 26.62%. So from that perspective, that was because of the end of the bear cycle, and that was when Bitcoin was in a recovery mode and was basically the beginning of the next bull run. So we could see if you see June, so far we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bad months versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good months. So it's anybody's guess, guys. But guys, remember, if you lived through 2022 June. I remember Bitcoin was down like 37%. That was because of Lunar Crisis, 4 Hours Capital, Celsius, Voyager, all those debacles that happened. So, if you guys had lived through 2022, which was one of the worst stinking years for crypto, you guys made it. You guys get the survivor award. So let's keep an eye on what June's going to happen for June. The first week will be absolutely telling. That will kind of give us an indicator of what's going to be happening for the rest of the week. But guys, keep in mind, BTC is about to make the first golden cross on the moving average 2,200 days. This has never freaking happened before, guys. And remember, at the same time, both bands are serving as a support right now. So both the 200 and the 20-day moving average are absolutely support right now. And we did have a death cross in September 2022, and that had never happened before, and that was because of the FTX crash, guys. So like I said, it's time to put all the negative stuff behind us. Time to put all the darkness up behind us. This is very positive. This is an absolutely freakingly good move, guys. So you're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. Looks like if you take a look at the macro picture of Bitcoin, you can see here that we can divide this chart into 4 phases, right? Bear 1, bear 2, bull 2. Bear 1, bear 2, bull 1, bull 2. So right now we're in the bull phase 1 right now. So right now it seems that BTC is in between recovery bull phase 1 and a parabolic bull phase 2. So this is we're right now in the bull phase recovery part 1. So that is pretty good news out there, guys. So once again we could be seeing huge rise. And if you look at what Trader Tardigrade is saying, this could see Bitcoin going up to like $180,000-$200,000 next cycle. And don't forget, we're less than a year away from the halving, so that is cool beans out there. Also, take a look at this. Bitcoin is starting a bull run. If you look at this indicator here always indicates the bottoms and the tops, the bottoms and the tops, the bottoms and the top. This indicator is just flipped green, indicating that we're now in a recovery bull run right now, guys. So it's good, guys. It's good. We're not going to get the parabolic explosion just yet, but we're definitely going to be getting it. We're seeing that Bitcoin a bullish engulfing candle on the 6-month time frame. That is good news out there. And every time we have these engulfing candles, what happens is that it's very bullish. It's very bullish. So Bitcoin is well on its way to close 6-month bullish engulfing candle. When it happened in the past cycle, bear market was over, guys. So more confirmation that the bear market is over. Good news out there overall. Looks like Bitcoin is having the same chart pattern bursted, rising wedge as in 2022. So 2012. So it looks like 2012, 2023, pretty much similar cycle out there. So this could be pretty parabolic out there. Take a look what happened. Take a look what happened in 2012 to Bitcoin. Very similar pattern, guys. Wow. If this happens, this could take us up to 135,000 plus, guys. So this was the start of parabolic moves. Like I said, parabolic moves are just about to happen. Look at the outlook, guys. Look at the freaking outlook for 2024, 2025. We're right here, right now. Probably we're going to, probably go up to here. We're going to hit like 50, bounce down, going to have the halving, and then we're going to have parabolic move, guys. What do you guys think about that? Fantastic. Hey, guys, did you know that basically Bitcoin ordinals will bridge Ethereum NFTs with the launch of BRC 1721? So if you have NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, you're going to be able to bridge them onto Bitcoin ordinals. So that is pretty good news out there. That's good, guys. Good. Looks like Bitcoin trades at 18% discount on Binance Australia as exchanges cut on-ramp. So what's happened right now is because all the on-ramps for fiat onto exchanges have been cut, the price of Bitcoin has tanked in Australia. So if you're in Australia, buy Bitcoin, send it offshore to another exchange, cash out. That's easy, 18%. So if there's anybody with Bitcoin in Australia, I'm going to try to figure out how to get some Bitcoin and buy it in Australia, guys. So this is kind of cool on wacky, guys. 18%. We're seeing that right now. The fear and greed is not the fear and greed. We're seeing that the wreckage, the total wreckage. I got my coffee in my hand. We're seeing that the total wreckage for the leverage apes is about 49.87 million. We're seeing that most of it right now in the last 24 hours has been Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum, XRP. People are still short of Pepe. Not too much stuff happening on the Doge. If you take a look at what's going on in terms of the positions, we're seeing pretty much a kind of neutral out there. So be careful. Be careful. Remember, today is a reversal day, the witching day. Market makers may, in fact, do a hunter wick to wipe out some of the leverage traders. But right now, if we take a look at the leverage trade right now, it's about 51%. So they will hold off because it's undetermined if it's longs or shorts that are going to be dominating the leverage trading positions. So right now, we're seeing that right now the dominance at 46.4 and 19.7 for Ethereum. overall, pretty neutral day out there. Wednesday is usually the Wednesday's a reversal day. We'll see some downside today. Dogecoin is still holding its own. It's at 0.724, not too shabby. Shiba Inu, if I can find it, is once again below its 900 level. Shiba Inu just cannot get past that resistance, guys. Keep in mind that we got about 323 days to the next halving. DXY is just going sideways. Not too bad out there. We're seeing Ethereum right now is at 1905, also forming a nice bull flag. Imminent breakout to 2000, in my opinion, not financial advice. Guys, did you know that Dogecoin transactions yesterday reached a new all-time high of transactions above 2 million, which were all probably surpassing today? Dogecoin had more transactions in one day than twice those of Litecoin and Bitcoin combined. And this is all because of the Dogecoin ordinals out there, guys. But the Dogecoin network is still strong. Take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin is just going sideways in this very, very narrow range out there. And we can see here that, Dogecoin right now, it has these, this volatility, and it is kind of being compressed into this Bollinger Band here. So for Dogecoin, the current Bollinger Band reading suggests that an extended period of calmness and range-bound trading has neared an end. So, guys, this is what is about to happen for Bitcoin, for Dogecoin, particularly Dogecoin. This indicator is acting as a warning signal, hinting at an impending breakout could result in a sharp, pronounced move to either up to the down or up or to the downside. So the Bollinger Bands are squeezing, and often there's going to be a reaction. There will be a breakout. In my opinion, I think this breakout is going to be pretty positive. And, this development suggests that, Dogecoin is going to be experiencing a huge surge. And I believe that this surge is going to be to the upside, guys. What do you guys think about that? Let's take a look at the Dogecoin tokenomics right now. Doge is down about 1.18% right now. Volumes are up, picked up about 247 million, up 60%. Market cap still above $10 billion. And if you take a look at the position of Dogecoin right now, Dogecoin is still in the number 8 spot. So, Doge is holding strong. And we can see that in terms of users in the profit, we're seeing more and more Dogecoin holders in the profit compared to any other meme coin right now. Guys, that is a fact. That is absolutely a fact. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. We're seeing right now that 51% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money. That is good. In terms of social sentiment, let's update the social sentiment for Dogecoin. Right now, we're seeing social measures are down, but engagement are up. People are engaging with the Doge. Let's see how we're doing on the day. Day, not looking too good, guys. So if you're sitting on your chair, sitting on your couch, get to Twitter, get to posting, make a post, guys. Absolutely insane that you guys do that. Don't sit, don't sleep on crypto. Don't sit and don't sleep on Dogecoin. Let's take a look at where Dogecoin is in terms of global ranking, in terms of sentiment. Still number 8 out there. Interesting. Wow, guys. So that's pretty cool beans, huh? Pretty cool beans. Doge is number 8. I love it. You love it. Let's see what's going on with the Pepster. Pepster. Wow, big breakdown. Wow, not looking good for the Pep. Pep overall is down 10%. Bad news for Pep. Guys, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there. Get it on a centralized, get it on a hardware wallet, guys. You don't own the keys. You don't own the crypto, guy. You do not own the crypto. Guys, go and be part of the freaking conversation, guys. Actually, be part of the freaking conversation. Go join our Discord. What's going on with Shiba Inu right now? Give this a mid-to refresh. Refreshing time. Shiba Inu is still up, but, once again, it can't get itself past this whole 900 level. It's just going sideways. It's sleepy. It's boring. And I know a lot of the Shiba Inu holders right now are not happy. Absolutely not happy, because only 17% of you are in the money. That's going to bring this video to a close, guys. So we're going to see big things happening for Dogecoin, big things happening for Bitcoin, guys. Don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter. We got 7,666. Wow, scary out there. Guys, don't forget to get the merch, gear up into OG gear. Guys, so, be blessed, be well. I'm going off to the grinding grind. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Peace out.